Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I want to do my conclusion on my no-buy. So starting at the beginning of October, I decided I wanted to go on a no-buy or like a reserved low buy for the rest of the year, just to kind of challenge myself. I didn't need to really spend money on makeup. I didn't need anything. And the things that I did need, I was allowing myself to buy. So it wasn't like a strict, like, no money. But it was kind of like, if you need it, yes, buy it, but don't buy excess. So I posted a haul video, maybe like 2 weeks ago now, of a haul from my no-buy. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll link it above. And I go over everything that I purchased during my no-buy. Some of it was stuff that I needed. Some of it was stuff that I had like pre-planned on buying during this period of time. And then a big chunk was just like a big slip up I had. But I will say, currently, as I'm filming this, it's the 21st of December, so I still have 10 days left of the year, which, one, gross, but also that leaves 10 days to maybe make some mistakes. But it's also 4 days until Christmas, and so I feel like Christmas is a big like deterrent for me for buying new stuff. I was at the mall last night with my friend and we were trying to like finish up our Christmas shopping, and we went into Lush, and Lush is just one of those places for me where I can always find something to buy at Lush. Like, it doesn't matter if I need things or not, I will always find something to buy at Lush. And I was very tempted. I almost bought new shampoo and conditioner bars, because I actually lost the ones that, I mean, they were almost gone, but I lost them. I left them at a hotel. And so I almost bought some because I was like, oh, I'm traveling, I need them. And I'm like, do I though? I have travel size shampoo and conditioner. And so I was very close to buying a few things in Lush, which it's hard. It's really hard, I understand. But I wanted to go over really quick what I bought. And again, if you want to see in more detail what I did buy, check out that other video I did. But I also want to say how much I spent, and then also kind of like some thoughts going forward. Since the beginning of October, I've purchased a face wash from Lush. It's the Let the Good Times Roll face wash, and that's something I was planning on buying, which retails for $12.95. And then I also bought a face wash from Trader Joe's. It's kind of like another one of my go-tos, and I needed a face wash for at night, and that's like my go-to for that. And so that one is $5.99. And then I also bought, I'm trying to remember like the order of when I bought these. I was doing good for a while, and then it just kind of started to go downhill towards the end. I bought, oh, actually something I bought early on, and I forgot about it in my haul video because I just had it put away and forgot. I bought a new Bare Minerals matte foundation. That's my go-to foundation, and I love it. I was getting close to the end of using the one I had, and I rebought it because they had it in my shade at TJ Maxx for $7.99, and so I felt like I had to buy it, so I bought that, $7.99. And then I also bought the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. I did buy that during the Sephora sale back in November, like the beginning of November, and so I was just looking at my credit card bill, I spent $56.83 on that after tax. And then I bought a hair texturizing spray from my hairstylist. I didn't count my haircut as that because that's not like beauty related. Well, it kind of is, but like it's out of that for me. But the hair texturizing spray she charged me $30 for. And then I bought ooh, so my big slip up was a Glossier purchase. And I bought a lot of things from Glossier, but I did get a discount. They were doing 20% off their website, and then I had a $20 credit to use, and so I spent $56.06 on Glossier. And lastly, oh nope, a few other things. I bought some hair goods at the thrift store, which sounds really strange, but I talked about it in my haul video. They were all like brand new products and like high-end salon brands, and it looked like a hairstylist had just like gone out of business or was just like trying to get rid of product, because they were all like sealed and like new in boxes and everything. And so I bought a few things from there, and I spent $5 on like 4 products and like a few foil sample packs. I feel like that was a good idea, but up for debate, I guess. Let's see. I did Glossier, hair texture, melt, Let's Good Times Roll, Trader Joe's, matte. Oh, and then the last thing is BoxyCharm. So I did continue my BoxyCharm subscription through October, November, and December. And then in December, I also added the BoxyCharm Premium box. And so for October through December, for my regular BoxyCharm, I spent $76.77 on the 3 boxes. And then in December, for my Premium box, I spent $37.81. So from the beginning of October until today, December 21st, which I'm not planning on buying things through the end of the year, but there's a chance because I'm going home and I know I'll go shopping with my sister, but I'm gonna try not to because I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of new stuff for Christmas too. But from October till now, I spent $289.40. I feel like it adds up so fast. Oh, I feel like it wasn't that much money, but it was. And I feel like I did better than I normally do. I never keep track of how much money I spend on makeup. A lot of it I buy with cash because I get cash from like tips and stuff. So that's usually like my fun money that I use to like buy like thrifted clothes and like makeup. And so I don't really keep track of it, and maybe I should, because for 3 months, spending almost $300 seems like really high amount, especially since I was saying I was in a no-buy, and I feel like honestly I did relatively well considering like I wasn't tempted to like really go out and buy anything else. Like I wasn't like searching the makeup counters, which that was the main reason for me of doing this no-buy, was that I was just trying to get away from like the monotony of like every time I was at Target walking up and down like every beauty aisle, and like not trying to go into Ulta every single time I was like relatively close to an Ulta. Like during the last 3 months, I think I've been in Ulta like twice, and once it was to like get a gift for someone else, and then like I went in the other day because I was at the mall and I was like, I haven't been in Ulta in a long time. I'm just gonna take a little stroll through here. And I was like semi on the lookout for Christmas presents as well. And it was kind of nice to like not go in an Ulta for a long time or like go through the beauty aisles. And that was honestly like my biggest thing with this challenge for myself, is I was just trying to get away from like wasting so much time on makeup. I mean, buying it is definitely part of it as well. I don't want to spend all of my fun money or like all money on makeup. That's definitely not my goal. So I feel like I did okay. This was my first time ever trying to like not buy things. There's definitely been other periods in my life where I've been like, okay, I can't buy makeup for the rest of the month because I don't have money, or like I don't really need anything, so I'm not gonna buy anything. But this was the first time that I was like, okay, 3 months, nothing. I mean, except for the few things that I said I was gonna buy. And it was challenging. It was good. It was like refreshing, kind of. I feel like I've kind of dug more into my makeup I have on hand. I feel like when you constantly have new makeup coming in, which I definitely still had new makeup coming in with BoxyCharm, but when like you're actually going out and purchasing new makeup, I feel like you're like kind of on this high of like, ooh, this new makeup thing is gonna make me so happy and I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna use it every single day. And then you get it home and you use it like once and you're like, okay, back to my normal. And that's kind of me. So it was nice to like go through my palettes and be like, okay, I wanna use this one today, or like I'm gonna use this one for the week. And it was really nice. So going forward, I think I'm gonna kind of continue this like low buy through the foreseeable future. I mean, if I need something, for sure, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna keep my BoxyCharm, but I kind of want to keep that mentality of like not wasting all of my free time and all of my free money on makeup and beauty things, hair care, body care. And so I don't know, I'm feeling inspired, feeling ready for this next year. I've seen a lot of people say that they're doing like a like a budget for the new year, and I don't think that's a bad idea, but I haven't done it. So I don't know, I just felt like chatting about my makeup ideas and makeup thoughts for the coming year, and I'm definitely not like committing to anything like I'm doing no buy for the rest of the year. But I just, for the foreseeable future, the next few months or so, I want to kind of keep going with what I was doing, just buying things that I need, not wasting time, not wasting money, because it's been nice, honestly. Those have been my thoughts on my no buy, low buy, whatever you want to call it, the challenge I had for myself. Those were my thoughts. If you have any questions, or if like you have done a no buy or a low buy, leave your tips and tricks down below. I'd love to hear about them. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.